Hi friends, in the previous video I explained how to install the OBS software. So in this segment we will explain how to record the screen or a PowerPoint presentation, how to convert a PowerPoint presentation into a video. Remember, OBS is a professional software. We are having a lot of facility for this, but in this tutorial I'll explain only the basic features. Okay. So first you just open the OBS software. So it will be, the appearance will be like this. Okay. Then if your mic is okay when we are speaking, the variation you can observe here. And for desktop audio, inbuilt audio is any there. Here you can observe the variation. Okay. And this is the amplitude, the amplification that we, or gain that we can control. Okay, don't keep it in a full manner. It is better to keep at the green level. If you don't want any desktop audio to be recorded, just click here. Then it will be disabled. Now if you click here, it will be disabled so that there is no variation is taking place. Okay, so you can control both the external mic and internal mic. Okay, so this is the first step that we want to verify. So by looking here, it is observed that it can clear that our audio is properly functioning or not. Then after this you move on to the file menu. Then you can take the settings. Here lot of setting application we can observe. General, all the things it is in the default manner, keep it like this. Stream, direct streaming is possible. Using YouTube account it is possible, and that will be explained in another video. Okay, then output, where the output to be stored. Default it will be in the not here, it is in the video file, but I just browsing, I focused to desktop. Okay, located to desktop, so that the recorded video will be saved in this desktop. Okay, then you can check FLV, MP4, etc, etc, MKV. Default will be MKV, but I am changing to MP4. Okay, then these things must be careful. If you are not doing anything, it will be located in the default folder. Okay, and the recording format will be MKV. You can do, no problem. MKV or MP4 is enough. Okay, then audio it will be there, stereo format. You can increase the quality, but let it be 44.1 kilohertz. Then video, the file size we can control. Then okay, these are the minimum. So here in this sequence we should care about the output session. Okay, then just click on the okay. So this is now ready for recording. Now we want to um, insert the screen. Okay, for that just click the sources here, plus you can add this much of softwares. Okay, so audio input capture, so it is default, it is sensing here. If it is not sensing, you can check this audio input capture or audio output capture, etc, browser, color source, etc, etc there. So here we are going to take the screen sharing, right, screen recording. So I am taking the display capture, then just press OK. So a window will come like this. Okay, then just click the OK. So now the window is ready for taking the things in the screen. Then if you want to insert the camera, just click here. Then you can see video capture device. Text is there, you can have any kind of writing. If you want to give, you can give using text. Video capture, just click OK. Okay, so in my laptop we are having two cameras, so that we have to select the camera. Okay, so camera is inserted by clicking OK. It will be here. You can change the size. See, you can move anywhere. Okay, so I am keeping here on the left corner, right. Okay, the order must be important. Video capture overlay. This is recorded in the form of overlay format. So the order should be important. Okay, so if you click this and you change the order, video capturing is there, but it is in the background of this screensaver, so that we can't able to see. But you see, okay. So in this fashion, we can adjust anything. Now display capture is coming down. Okay. Now if you want to cut the display capture, just click here, it will off. Now you can hide this one, then video will be hide, the camera will be hidden. Okay. Now this is ready for video capture, screen recording. Then you just move to start recording. Just click on the start recording. And here you can see recording started. Immediately you minimize, then open your PowerPoint, whatever you can do. So just open the PowerPoint presentation, then slideshow, then you can record anything. School of Legal Studies, Kochi University of Science and Technology, in collaboration with the Kerala State Higher Education Council, organizing online short-term faculty development program. Okay, just click the next button. Themes for discussion: understanding online education, various LMS platform and tools for online education, introduction to MOOC, etc. etc. Then resource persons, registration details. Okay, then just I am stopping. Then just close this one or minimize. Then open the OBS. Okay, just click the stop. Wait for some time. Okay, so recording is completed. So here you can see start recording. That means recording is completed. So we can click the exit button so that we can come out from the OBS software. And one video we will show you how to remove this background. Okay, so if we can able to remove the background means you can have only the presenter. Okay, then by properly controlling this one, by properly controlling and you just if you just remove this background, you can see you can adjust. If the screen is not there, if the background is not there, means your hand will be almost in the on the presentation. Like this we can adjust. Okay, that I will show you in the next video. Okay. Okay, so just coming out. Now here it is recorded, the today's date. I am just opening the file. I show, that you can record anything. School of Legal Studies, University of Science and Technology. Then open the OBS. Okay, so we recorded the video. Then using a good video editing software, we can properly edit, or we can cut the proper required portions of this video, and we can share via YouTube or some other sharing platform. So that's all about the basic functions of OBS Studio. The advanced feature will be discussed in the next video. Okay, thank you.